Hey there folks, in today's video I'm going to show you how to install a carbon monoxide alarm into your home. The unit I've chose to use today is a plug-in unit with a battery backup. Now the thing I like about these modern units is it uses AA batteries instead of 9-volt, so you can get some cheap rechargeable AA's and use them. So we're going to go ahead and just open it up. It's fairly easy to install. It's got your instructions on here. If the light is green, you're okay. If it's red, then it's alarming. 4 beeps, move to fresh air and call 911, and you got your button to test it. So you're just going to pull out your little tab here. That's where the batteries are kept. So that lets you know it's working right away. So it's flashing green. So all we're going to do, batteries are already loaded. We're just going to go over to our plug here, and we're going to plug it in. That's all there is to it. So you see, it's green. That means we're all good to go. If that ever goes red, then we know what to do. We need to get out of the house and call 911. Then if you want to test it, there's your red light. So it's working well. And that's all there is to it, folks. Then just turn it off again. That's all there really is to it. So hopefully you found this helpful. And as always, please like and subscribe.